Hi guys, I'm Valentina, founder of Thank You Plantbased God.
I'm Cameron, the creative and chef behind Thank You Plantbased God.
And today we'll be doing some fun apple crisp for the upcoming season.
100% plant-based using simple ingredients you most likely have in your pantry.
So we just picked these apples on a recent trip apple picking, and we're just going to take you through the recipe and show you how to do apple crisp. So our ingredients start with agave, freshly picked red apples. You can choose whichever kind of apples you'd like, lemon, ground cinnamon, some vanilla extract, and then we're also going to add a scoop of vanilla plant-based ice cream. Now for our crisp, we're going to go in with some oats, some flour, and a glass cooking pan. So these are apples. These are what they're going to look like when they're peeled. We're going to wash them thoroughly, get any labels off. And then we're gonna go ahead and start peeling them. You can use a potato peeler or a knife. Just be super, super careful as you're taking the skin off of the apples. Set aside a cutting board and a knife and safely start to chop away at our apples. We're gonna wanna take that core out and dice them into cubes and set them aside in a bowl. These are the apples that are going to go into the glass pan and start seasoning them with all of the ingredients that we've shown. The first thing you're going to go in with is squeezing half a lemon into your bowl, a cap of vanilla extract, a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of agave, some flour, and then you're going to want to mix all of that up. This is what it should look like once you've done that. So now for the crisp part of this dessert, we're going to want to go in with a cup of flour, a cup of oat. We're going to go in with a tablespoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of agave, and a cap of vanilla extract. You're going to want to mix all of that in, then melt some plant-based butter, about 3 tablespoons of it, and mix all of that in until it looks like this. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to want to oil or butter up the glass pan that we have and start tossing in your diced seasoned apples. Make sure you evenly pat those out to avoid any holes. And then our crisp, we're going to start just putting them right on top and evening those out as well. So now you're going to want to take your dish and put it into the oven to bake for exactly 1 hour, or as soon as you start to see the above start to brown and get that nice caramel looking color. And after that hour is done, you're going to want to take it out and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool. You can grab a spatula and dig in. Don't be scared if it starts falling apart. It's okay if that happens. And grab a scoop of that plant-based ice cream and put on your plate and enjoy. Our finished product.
Hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for more.
And be sure to follow us on Thank You Plant-Based God. See you soon.